Have you ever had seedlings that suddenly keel over and die, or maybe they shoot up fast but they end up tall, weak, and spindly? Well, damping off and legginess are two of the biggest seed starting problems, and if you don't catch them early, you can lose all of your seedlings before they even make it to the garden. And when you're growing food to try and live an independent lifestyle, you simply can't afford to waste time or seeds in the spring. And that's why today we're showing you exactly how to stop damping off and fix leggy seedlings so you can grow strong, healthy plants and take control of your food supply. These quick tips come straight from our Starting with Seeds course inside the Ready Life Academy, where we teach you everything you need to know to grow food, store essentials, and become as independent as possible. And make sure that you watch until the end, because we're going to cover the one mistake that many gardeners make that actually makes legginess in their plants worse.
The Ready Life, into the country.
Another problem that I have seen is called damping off, and that's where your seedling comes up like this and it's making a nice plant, but then all of a sudden it just dies. It just falls over and dies. And there's several reasons. That could be because of the soil. You had bad soil, or because of your pots. So if you have pots, at the end of the season, what you need to do is you need to clean these out. You need to disinfect them at the end of every season with soap and water, because this can carry all sorts of microbes and different things and germs that you don't want in your soil that can cause problems with your seedlings the next year. So make sure that your pots are clean, make sure that you have good soil, and you may need to sterilize your soil too, because they could have pests in your soil. So those are some things that can help you with that. And let's talk a little bit about another problem that I see quite often that people ask me, and that's this whole problem with the legginess. And legginess just means that your plants are really tall like this and spindly, okay? And so the main reason that this happens is because your plant is reaching for the light. So if you are using a sunny window, your plant is going to start growing towards that window. So one thing that you can do is make sure that you're rotating this plant every day or two, so that it can grow straight. Another thing that you could do is put a grow light over top of it, and that will cause it to grow straight up. And then another reason that the plants become leggy is it may have too much nitrogen in there, so you might want to check on that. But if you watch one of the other videos, I do show a demonstration on how to fix this problem and how to transplant that into your pot so that it actually looks like a pretty nice plant. Like this, it doesn't look leggy anymore. So there are solutions to these common growing problems that people have.
Damping off and legginess don't have to ruin your seedlings. With the right steps, you can grow strong, healthy plants from the start. But there's another seed starting problem that could be breeding right under your nose: fungus gnats. These tiny pests lay eggs in your soil, and their larvae can destroy your seedlings before they even get a chance to grow. And that's what we're tackling in Seed Starting SOS: how to stop fungus gnats and keep your seedlings from these hidden threats. And if you're feeling unsure about seed starting, don't be. Anyone can do this. And that's why we're giving you 30 days of free access to our Starting with Seeds course, so you'll have everything you need to grow strong, healthy plants with confidence. And that's not all. You'll get access to the Ready Life Academy completely free for 30 days. Just visit thereadylife.com/try and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss tomorrow's video, and we'll see you then.